I'm going to teach you how to run an experiment with YouTube video ads. First, go into the campaign section, then select experiments. What you're going to do here is select the blue plus button and then choose video experiment and continue. I'm going to call this experiment A/B test. I'm going to call this A and I'm going to call this B. So what I did here is I created two separate campaigns, each of which has a unique video that is not in the other. And there's only one video in each campaign. So for this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this campaign, number 2. And for the B test, I'm going to select a separate campaign that's just been designed specifically for this experiment, and that is campaign number 3. And we can see we're getting a little bit of a warning here. Some ads are still under review. Make sure you have at least one ad that is eligible to run. So because this is a yellow type warning, it's not mandatory for you to change anything. But if you receive a red warning with something like your campaign must only have one video, then you're going to have to make some corrections because you will not be able to start the campaign without that. So you can see that I have two campaign arms, the A, the B, but I could add a C by hitting add another arm. But for simplicity, most people are usually doing A/B testing, so that's what we'll do for this case. And then you would hit save to start the experiment. And you can see now here that we are now in the experiment details section, indicated by this blue navigation. We can see that we're in experiment A/B test, and here's where we're going to see the details of A. We're doing a 50% traffic split. We can see what the conversion rate's going to be, the average CPM, the conversions, the cost, etc. So we're doing a true experiment of splitting and randomizing essentially the traffic between these two videos to see which one performs better. And it depends really what matters to you. Is conversions even what matters? Often it's not. It may be other factors that are driving the decision to run the experiment.